When we think about AI, we usually imagine chatbots that just answer questions or generate text, right? But what if I told you there's now an AI that doesn't just talk, it actually works? It can research, plan, build, code, analyze data, even create full-stack web apps from a single sentence. It's called Manus 1.5, and it's one of the most advanced AI agents available right now. So, what's new in Manus 1.5 compared to the earlier versions? According to the official release notes, version 1.5 brings 4 major improvements. First, it's up to 4 times faster, meaning tasks that took minutes now finish in seconds. Second, there's a huge boost in quality, about a 15% improvement in accuracy and overall task success rate. Third, and the most hyped feature, the unlimited context upgrade. This means Manus can now remember and process massive amounts of information at once, without losing track of your conversation or workflow. In simple words, it won't forget what you told it 5 steps ago. And finally, there's the light version, optimized for faster, lower-cost runs, so even smaller users can experiment with it affordably. But let's talk about what makes Manus so interesting. Traditional chatbots are reactive. They wait for instructions. Agents like Manus, however, are proactive. You can give them a single high-level goal and Manus will not just generate a list, it'll research, compile sources, format the data, and even write an analysis with recommendations. It acts like a true virtual assistant. Over the past year, we've seen an explosion of AI tools, from ChatGPT to Claude, Gemini, and 100 others promising to boost productivity. But if you've actually used them, you know they still need a lot of hand-holding. You give them one task, they complete it, and then you have to tell them what to do next. They don't really think ahead. Manus changes that. It's not a chatbot, it's an autonomous AI agent, which means it can handle complex workflows by itself. Now let's jump right in and see how Manus 1.5 Lite actually works. When you head over to manus.im, the experience starts off super simple, clean, minimal, and distraction-free. Right at the top, you'll notice that everything feels modern and intuitive. To get started, just click on Sign Up. You can use your Google account to log in instantly. No long forms, no waiting. Just one click, and you're inside the Manus 1.5 workspace. And once you're in, this is the dashboard. You'll see a clean, dark interface with a simple prompt area that asks, "What can I do for you?" It's literally like having a digital co-founder waiting for your command. Right below the prompt box, you'll find a few smart task icons, things like image, slides, web page, spreadsheet, and visualization. These represent the types of outputs that Manus can generate, and trust me, this is where it gets powerful. Now, in the prompt box, I'm going to type something practical, something you might actually need for your business or workflow. Let's say, create a task management web app with a dashboard, user authentication, and task priority filters. And then just hit enter. That's it. Manus 1.5 instantly understands the context, breaks it down into a full AI-powered task, and begins building the structure for you. It doesn't just generate code, it actually organizes your idea into executable steps. Within seconds, you'll see it spin up a structured project. The interface feels like a blend of ChatGPT, Notion, and Replit, all working together seamlessly. It's not just text output, it's action-based intelligence. Manus takes your prompt and translates it into something tangible, whether that's a web page, a data visualization, or a complete app interface. So yeah, it's not just a chatbot. It's a fully functional AI workspace that listens, plans, and builds. Manus 1.5 feels like an early look into how AI will actually integrate into our workflows over the next few years. It's the difference between AI as a tool and AI as a teammate. But it's impressive enough to prove that we're moving closer to fully autonomous digital agents that can plan, reason, and execute on their own. If you want to try it out, you can head over to Manus. I have left a link in the description. Ask Manus 1.5 to build something, research something, or organize a workflow. So, my final take? Manus 1.5 is one of the most promising AI platforms out there. It's bold, ambitious, and a real step forward for autonomous AI. Whether you're a developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about where AI is heading, this tool is absolutely worth exploring. And that's a wrap for today's breakdown of Manus 1.5. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me actually use Manus to build a real full-stack app live, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because next week I'll be exploring another insane AI tool that's taking automation to the next level. Thanks for watching. This is from AI Ledger X, signing off. Remember, the future of AI isn't conversation, it's collaboration.